Unleashing the Power of Academic Collocations. Hello, language learners. Today, we're going to delve deep into the realm of English language mastery. Our focus? Academic collocations. Specifically, we'll explore how using collocations can help us create cohesive academic phrases, which is a must-have skill for anyone seeking to excel in the academic and professional world. First, let's get clear on what we mean by collocations. In English language learning, a collocation refers to a pair or group of words that are often used together. These combinations just sound right to native English speakers. For instance, we say, make a decision, rather than do a decision. By understanding and using common collocations, your English can sound more natural and fluent. So, what are academic collocations? These are word pairs commonly used in academic writing and speaking. Examples include conduct research, draw conclusions, or fundamental principles. These word pairs are powerful because they can make your language more specific, concise, and professional, giving your writing or speech a more academic tone. Now, let's talk about using these collocations to create cohesive academic phrases. These phrases will not only make your language sound more advanced but also help your ideas flow better. Using collocations properly can link your thoughts together more cohesively and logically. One way to do this is by using collocations that show cause and effect. For example, phrases like due to, consequently, as a result of, and leads to can help connect ideas and show relationships between them. Another strategy is using collocations that compare and contrast, such as similarly, in contrast to unlike, and whereas. These can help organize your thoughts and make your arguments clearer. To put all this theory into practice, let's do some exercises. You can start by finding examples of academic collocations in research papers, essays, or other academic texts. Then, try to write sentences using those collocations. After that, create paragraphs in which you use collocations to connect ideas. Finally, practice delivering these sentences and paragraphs out loud. This will help you become more comfortable with these phrases, and you'll start using them more naturally over time. And that wraps up our discussion on using academic collocations to create cohesive phrases. Remember, mastering collocations can be a major game changer in your English language journey. It's a powerful tool that can give your academic writing and speech a professional and cohesive edge. So, keep practicing, and soon you'll be creating advanced academic phrases with ease. Thank you for joining me in this lesson, and I can't wait to see how your language skills develop.